What would you do if worshipping God could get you burned alive? In Babylon, everyone was ordered to bow to a golden statue, but 3 men refused: Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They said, "Our God can save us, but even if he doesn't, we will not bow." The king was furious. He threw them into a blazing furnace, but when he looked inside, he saw 4 men walking in the fire. Because when you stand for God, you never stand alone.